Keep so wavy back with another video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Just wanted to again thank y'all for supporting the channel. Last video actually did over 100 views, which I didn't expect it to do. Solely because I haven't posted in so long. So I expect this one to do even more. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Keep So Wavy with 2 O's. I'll put it on the screen for you somewhere. Shout out to Ian. Ian is my homie that you'll actually see in this video. We actually did this whole thing in his driveway. 2 reasons I wanted to post this video. One, obviously, content. The car is Widebody now. Actually, next video will be a color reveal. Secondly, to show you, you don't need a shop. You don't need a whole bunch of fancy stuff to make stuff like this happen. We literally did this whole thing in his driveway. The entire thing from beginning to end in his driveway. And yeah, the car looks beautiful. Again, y'all will see the actual color of it and everything next video. I believe in this video, all I did was the 2 fronts and one of the rear quarter panels. I forgot, if y'all rocking with the build, make sure you let me know on Instagram what else y'all want to see. It's a lot of stuff that's done to the car. Again, I'm just kind of slowly dropping it. I want to show y'all so bad because if I open my balcony door right here, I can actually see my car from here. Again, it looks totally different. I can't wait to show you guys in the color reveal, which is going to be next video, like I said. But again, if y'all have any suggestions, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM, whatever the case may be. All right, now for real this time, let's get to the video.
Good.
This is mad sketchy.
Bro, it's your car.
This is mad sketchy.
Light it up.
It's a little snug in here because it's cold. Pack me my sweater.
You might have to switch your cutting wheel. They do not last long.
This is getting small. I'm about to have to switch wheels. what's up. You've never been on my channel. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
This is why I'm supervising.
Late nights when I'm just waiting on a text from you. Yeah, I want you to know, but I can't give you my heart, so you should do what's best for me. And I know especially if you my bro, that's some shit I can't control, but I'm still gonna wish the best for you. But like what's next for you? Is it the same sex for you? Cause I'm hating that you gave like a lot of straight waves. Can't find the time to try to flex on you.
Cut all day.
I know, right?
And then it's pain with the skies and you start to wonder why. I'm still checking for you. I'm still checking for you. Can't say what happens in the dark. You told me to find your heart in. I'm still checking for you. I'm still checking for you. I'm still checking for you. Can't say what happens in the dark. You told me to find your heart in. I'm still checking for you. I'm still checking for you. I'm still
That shit
checking
is
for
gonna
you.
look good. That's gonna look good as shit.
Show me what I did before. Didn't feel like you would I used to know. My feelings gone. Get it what you done. Shit ain't the same no more. Shit ain't the same no more. Show me what I did before. Yeah, didn't feel like you didn't change.
See how much cleaner that cut is and how easy it was to pull off?
Did you see that?
And when did you start feeling what you feeling? Yeah, I wanted you so bad, but you told me that I had her. Way too many bitches, yeah. But see what's making me so mad that you caught it with these bitches, yeah. A bitch is like a nigga, and you telling me that you can see the difference, yeah. You can see the difference, yeah. You got